Yeah, we're not getting in this sucker. Look at this. Wow.
Really?
Look at the floor. Wow. Here, I'll move so you guys can see in there if you want. Dude, these are right on the lake, man. Right there is Lake Erie. That's nuts. Are you going in there, crazy girl? I don't know that I would want to go in.
It's safe.
It's safe. That's,
Will I start dancing?
no, because then you might fall through, silly kid. These ones are tore up. So this is the abandoned campground that we came to last year, but we didn't go this far. Strange little storage. Oh,
I have to get down.
that's how you got in?
Yeah.
Jeez. Alright, let's... And it's safe, you said.
Huh?
And it's safe, you said.
That's the least safe spot.
Alright, let's continue on. We didn't look at any of those on that side either. Oh, here's another little trailer, Katie. This is where all the trailers are. Wow, these ones are so tore up. How damaged that is. I'll go to the... Well, I'll just go to the other one. Jeez. Look at this thing. Well, they left the TV. And the dresser. Wow. Whoa. These are so tore up. Ferns. Wow, look at the backside of that one. Jeez. It's so crazy to think somebody actually stayed in this at one time. Oh yeah, at one time it was. Now look at it. Wow. Philip's gonna try to go in. Oh wow.
There's a little shed back here.
A little shed. Wow. This is so crazy. I'm gonna go next door. Where there's a little chair in the tree. See it?
Yeah. In the tree. Remember the chair that was hanging from the wall? I don't remember if we saw that one.
Pauline, Jean.
And mine.
Let's take a look at Pauline's trailer. Well, shoot, I'm about to fall in the snow. Wow. Dang, there's still... I gotta go in this one. There's still stuff in the cupboard. Oh, I feel like this floor is not good. There's still an alarm clock. And the stuff in the cupboard over there. Look at that iron. Oh my god. I feel like this floor is not good at all. Shoot. Philip, you should have seen the old rusted iron in there. The iron? It may be a little shaky, sorry guys. Hey, we're punching through the snow. There was snow last time, just not as deep. Or it's not as deep this time. Oh, there's a pink one.
Look, guys.
That pink one's pretty. Pink and... I'm looking at the pretty pink trailer next door, dude. Wow. Oh, jeez. Look at this old chair. Where's the mayonnaise?
Right. How long do you think it's been here?
Is it supposed to be that color?
No. It's gonna be white. Oh, look at that light fixture, Dad. It's nice. You know, it's not that bad if you think about it.
It's not that bad if you think about it. Oh, Lord. I don't know about these floors. Bunk beds. What else is back there?
You want to come back?
Yeah, I kind of do. I don't know why. Oh, look at the little sink with the brick there.
It's a nice touch.
This one's a nice trailer. One time. It looks like it.
Yeah, it's pretty good size.
You stepped on that wood and then the wood bounced back and hit me.
I'm going out the back door. It looks nice. There's the pretty pink and green trailer. I know, right? Look at this picnic table. It's all falling apart. Bus leaves at 7, guys. Bus leaves at 7. You know what would suck is if you were drunk and you walked out your back door and accidentally fell in the lake.
You opened the door and you're like, the water.
Oh, wow. That's fuzzy.
Huh?
That's fuzzy. I wonder if it was supposed to be fuzzy. Oh, they got pink sink cabinets in there. They must have liked pink. They got a tree growing through their window, too. Are you looking for Border Patrol?
His sus meter is ringing all the time. My sus meter was on for like 5 seconds.
I keep looking behind us for him. I keep looking behind us. Wow. Can't believe you didn't like the pretty pink one. Serenity? Let's check out Serenity. I like the color. It's attractive. How many more are there? There's a lot.
I don't think we'll be able to get it.
Oh, we're not getting in Serenity?
Looks like we're climbing. A lot of work.
Unsuspicious floors, too. Okay. This is a spot where we encountered Border Patrol one year. The location so far. The escape hatch? No way. Did you get your picture already?
Yeah.
Wow, there's a lot of these little... We didn't realize it was this far back. Or this much last time we came. Or the very first time we came. We've been here 3 times. Once we only went halfway, and then once we didn't get far at all. Wow, look at the leaning one. Wow. That's some craziness. I need to catch up to these guys, so...